Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add an avatar to your Binance profile. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account, and currently, as you can see, I have no profile avatar. All I'm gonna do is show you guys how to add it. Well, that is quite easy. Simply hover over the profile button at the top right. Well, as you can see, I am doing it right now. Well, from here, directly go to settings, which is just a web logout. In case you don't find this, click on dashboard right now. And guys, this is it. Once you're in the dashboard page, almost at the bottom left, you will see the settings button. Once again, click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, you can change your nickname and avatar. Simply click on the edit button right here. And once you do, this thing will open up. From here, simply click on the picture that is available right now. Once you do, this thing will open up. From here, simply select any image of your choice. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. Well, you can crop it as well, zoom it and do everything. This one's okay with me, so I'm simply gonna hit on apply. And guys, that is it. Once the picture has finished loading, all you guys have to do is click on save. It's gonna ask for your confirmation once again, and it is saying avatar and nickname can only be modified one time per 30 days. So be careful guys. Simply hit on continue, and that is it. Your profile avatar has been changed. That's the gist of it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.